Ukrainian Strav 122 tank and CV 9040C infantry fighting vehicle, donated from Sweden, and a Rosomak-wheeled infantry fighting vehicle with an Italian Oto Melara Hitfist 30P turret armed with a 30mm Mk-44 Bushmaster II cannon delivered from Poland, allegedly on Ukrainian territory. And this is the engine from the drone that attacked Moscow. Here's more unseen footage from a drone attack on Moscow.
Все разъебано. Там еще Федерация разъебана.
It suddenly turned out that the war could invade the capital of the aggressor state itself. "We're leaving. We're not staying here," says the young girl. Drone attacks affect the psyche of residents. They call for the construction of a security dome over Moscow. State Duma Deputy Dmitry Guzev strongly suggests building a security dome over Moscow. According to the parliamentarian, it should include a system for automatic suppression of all UAVs that pose a threat. Electronic warfare elements should be placed around the capital and over critical infrastructure, businesses, and public buildings. The security dome should be erected as soon as possible because drone strikes seriously affect the mental state of residents, he said. Maybe you were supposed to think about that before you attacked Ukraine? A Russian BMP-2 got clapped by a FPV kamikaze drone. There were soldiers on top of the vehicle, so they are likely toast now. I don't consider it my business to command troops. It's wrong, even harmful. Putin, clown.
Я не ежечасно не считаю своим делом управление войсками. Это неправильно, даже вредно. А потом ежечасно с передовой получать они вас.
Russian army is sending tanks to Ukrainian border. It seems they have unlimited supplies of this junk. The chairman of the African Union and president of Comoros, Azali Assoumani, made it clear in a joint press conference with Putin, following the Russia-Africa summit, that a multipolar world means more than Russia's definition of it.
We live in one world, and we are now advocating that Africa be part of those organizations that make decisions. We live in a multipolar world. Russia will invest in Africa, but this does not mean that others will not come to us. We will create conditions for positive competition. We will not have a single partner, but numerous partners. I think if we have 2 or 3 partners, then it's even better. They will attract other partners.
Niger. Several thousands are on the streets demanding the closure of all foreign bases in the country. Demonstrators also supported the National Council for the Protection of the Homeland, which was formed by the coup participants. The participants of the action took down the sign with the inscription Embassy of France in Niger and threw it on the ground. Many flags of Niger and Russia can be seen at the protest. We will see Wagner mercenaries here soon too. In Kyiv, work has begun to remove the hammer and sickle emblem from the iconic motherland statue, replacing the symbol of the past from which Ukrainians have long sought to distance themselves. The statement of Ukrainian President Zelensky. Russian aggression has gone bankrupt on the battlefield. Today is already the 522nd day of the so-called special military operation, which the Russian leadership expected to last for a week or two. Ukraine is getting stronger. Gradually, the war is returning to Russia's territory, to its symbolic centers and military bases, and this is an inevitable, natural, and fair process. But we must be aware that just like last year, Russian terrorists can still attack our energy sector and critical facilities this winter. Today, we discussed with the communities the current state of preparation for all possible scenarios.
Перше – це енергетика, підготовка до зими. Російська агресія зазнала банкрутства.
And for the end, Ukrainian soldiers having fun. So touching. Delay in arms delivery results in this.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.